हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम कुछ नया सीखेंगे. लेट्स स्टडी टुडे अबाउट द एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम. नाउ थिंक अबाउट अ सिटी where no proper garbage disposal system is there. What will happen? Yes, the people living in this area may not lead to healthy life. Now think about our body. Our body is made up of many cells. Each cell requires some basic nutrients, water, and gases to maintain the life. They use these in the different biochemical processes, and in return they also produces the waste. As these waste are toxic in nature, they need to be removed from the body. So the removal of these toxic waste products of metabolism is called excretion or urination. Now don't confuse the word excretion and egestion. Egestion is the removal of undigested food from the digestive system, and excretion is actually the urination, is the removal of the waste product produced during the metabolic reaction inside the body, and removal of these toxic substances from the body is called excretion. Now, if we talk about the excretion in animals, the smaller animals like unicellular organism, they can excrete directly through the surface of their body, and some higher animals have developed a excretory system for this. Now let's talk about how the excretory system is present inside the human body. This picture is showing the excretory system in human beings. It consists of pair of kidneys. As you can see in this picture, there are two bean-shaped structure. These are kidneys connected to a pair of ureter, a urinary bladder, and urethra. These two kidneys are located towards the back of lower part of our abdominal cavity, and one on the either side of backbone. Left kidney is slightly larger and placed little higher than the right kidney because above the right kidney liver is present. The blood from the aorta, it enters into the kidney through the renal arteries. These blood consist of all the nutrients and the waste metabolic waste product. So when blood passes through the kidney, the blood get filtered, and then the filtered blood collected into the renal vein. Now the metabolic waste which is filtered in the kidney in the form of urine, they passes through the ureter and get collected in the urinary bladder. Through the urethra, this urine is passed out from the body. There are two kidneys in humans and their shape is somewhat like the Rajma bean. They have a length of about 10 centimeter and width is 5 centimeter. Their weight can be 120 to 150 grams. Now the question arises, how these kidneys filter the blood? Actually, these kidneys have special filtering unit and that are known as nephrons. In a single kidney, about 1,000,000 nephrons can be present, and each nephron is approximately 3 centimeter long. So we can say the nephron is the structural and the functional unit of excretion.